Hi! In front of me is FairPhone 3 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by accessing device settings and scrolling down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and finally Revert. Then go into Theme over here and choose Show Mode to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of those images. Now click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!